Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A3, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Try now one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray which is located on the top left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. And I then push that pin in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. I'll be using one of each, so SD card goes here. And SIM card, if you're using one, you can use either one of those trays, it doesn't really matter. From there, carefully insert it back into your device. Dim those default wallpapers. And that's it. So once you insert it, both of the cards should start working right away on its own. As you can see, it is giving me the pop-up for my SD card. Now, in terms of SIM, it won't really show anything apart from this kind of message, just because the SIM card I have inserted is deactivated, so it's not like it can connect to anything. But with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.